Thank you for stopping by. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Okay. Here I'm trying to make the sauce for the pasta. I'm making pasta for my family. So here are my vegetables, my meat. Then I'm trying to boil the water for the spaghetti. It's not yet ready. So in this sauce, I'm going to put some minced meat. Now I've added the minced lamb into this. I'm using lamb because it's a healthy version. So I'm going to allow it to cook for a while before I put in all the vegetables and the pieces of beef that I also want to add in it. It's a very rich sauce. If you use this for spaghetti and you have a glass of wine, trust me, you will sleep off immediately. It is really, the aroma coming from this cannot be explained, but when you eat it, you will understand. So I have to leave it for a while to simmer and cook because the meat has to really cook. You can see it's already forming inside, so it's really a delicious sauce. It can be used for rice, for spaghetti, for yam, potatoes, plantain, either boiled or roasted. It's a very good sauce. Time to check my sauce. Ooh. Oh my god, it's steaming. Seriously. Ooh. The aroma is out of this world. Wow. Now I'm going to add the vegetables to it. The spaghetti is already boiling. It's cooking. Aside the minced meat, I've added some chunks of beef. This is just to give the sauce a sense of belonging. I added some chunks of fried beef, bite size anyway. So this sauce has minced meat, tomatoes, pepper, crushed peppers, some mushrooms, and chunks of fried beef. So now I'm going to add the vegetables and my sauce is almost ready. It's also important for your spaghetti to be single strand. So when making spaghetti, always add oil, vegetable oil. It helps the spaghetti to single out themselves. So add oil and some salt, allow to boil, then continue to stir occasionally so it doesn't burn. It's called the pot of goodness. I've added the vegetables, so I'm going to mix thoroughly and cover to simmer. The sauce is simmering. I'm going to cover it for it to cook evenly. Even the spaghetti is almost ready. So I'll cover this one up so that it can cook. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like or share button. Thank you very much for stopping by.